Okay, we rolling? Yeah, we're rolling. Okay, this is 1969 Chevy Malibu, and I got something here to show you. Just bought this last week there on what was it? What was it? Wednesday. Yeah, that's Wednesday there. It's this thing right here. It's let's see if I can figure out the year for you. It is a 04, 02, it was made April of 2012, so it's a 2012 MTD. Oh, fix that up. There we go. MTD. I added that there from my other tractor, which is sitting right there. Show you that one later. I don't think you're really interested in old. Give it a walk around. Small tires. Give it the size in a minute. I added that. That's from Bill's T-Max. Also added this. Hold it up. Without that, it sits right there. But I like the grass to blow a bit more, so I hooked that up in there. I cut on number 4. Let's see if I can find your number 4. Number 4. For the back tires, they are size, let's see here, 18 times 6.50 dash 8, 14 psi. Turf saver. This thing is brand new, runs like a top. And if you look in here, it's already got a little bit of grass. A little bit. Ow! That hurt. Damn. Prickle bush. I'll show you the back tire in a second. Which, the back of it. Gotta get up. There it is there. Now, I will show you the front. They are 13 times 5.00 dash 6. Brand new, man. Put that back on. If I can. Hopefully I can. Okay, hold on. You can look down there for a second. Okay. And, what's the tractor guy's name? Peppercat Keith. I don't know if this is supposed to be out of time. For one thing, if my muffler goes bad, am I supposed to like change the whole thing? Because it's routed right there. I don't have a torch or anything. Can you let me know, please? Runs good. I just had it running for a bit. 38-inch cut, 96 centimeter coupe. Huh? What? MTD. Belts are brand new. Little bit of surface rust right there. I gotta put some fluid film on there. Thanks to Corvair Wild for hooking me up with that fluid film. I now use fluid film on most all of my stuff. Anything else that needs fluid film, I use it. I love that product. Oh, cool. Right here. Right in there. I'm just shooting around trying to clean off all this dirt. And it says 30 PSI max. Okay. Now, I'll show you under the hood. Got a pretty big gas tank. I run mid-grade. This is a power built 34, hold on, let me do that again. 344 cubic inch, 12.5 gross horsepower. I think that's what that word is right there. Oh shit. I like this. It's got a locking feature. It's also got a little neck thing right down in here. I'll put the camera down there. See the little neck right there? Right there. It only fills it up to about here. So, there. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. Take a couple pictures after, then I'll upload her to the YouTubes. After I give it a quick run around or drive around, I'll show you the speed in a minute. Close the hood. Brake on. Oh, one more thing before I start. My speed controls are underneath right here. I got 6-speed tranny. All the way down here is parking brake. Over here I got my remote for my S10. I got right here the plug for this hole, but I took it out to put this in. Yep. So this here, pull this down, engages the deck. This one here is the level. I'll show you all that in a second. I'm gonna hop on, put the camera up here. Hopefully you guys don't fall. If you do, I'll restart filming and we'll go from there. Hold on guys. Okay, let's crank her up. Crank this baby up. Give her a couple throttle pumps. Choke it. Couple chokes. Now, turn the key. Then we got forward, neutral. neutral, reverse. Put it in reverse now. Give it a little reverse. Give it neutral. Nothing. Alright. Let's see. I'll give you a 6-gear full throttle. Show you some cutting, okay? So bear with me and let's have at her. Put that up. Make sure it's in 4. And the part I don't like, when you put it in reverse, and it wants to die. So I gotta cheat the system a bit. So what I do? When you're done, just pull this back up and it stops cutting. Then you can select your speed. Go up the hill. Do some circles. What I would like to show you here, I got some carrots over there, right there. Put her in neutral. There. Move yourself slowly. What I like to do is give myself a little first click, then put it back in neutral, and see how fast you can go in neutral. Still going. Okay, sorry about the mess, but that tractor there is the one I used to cut the grass with. You remember the videos, okay guys? There's a sign. That is kilometers an hour. What I'm going to do now is show the other tractor. My first one, it's called Bypassing Governor on a 1970 Husky Bypassing Governor. Is right there. Nothing left of her now. Motor seized up and everything. There's the old beast. Drive you over there and show you her. She's going to the junkyard soon, so if anyone wants to see it, I'll take you over. Weed whacker. Bicycle brake handle. What's left of her. Speed. Works real good. I'll show you what I do now. Back it up. Alright, take a little thing here off of one of my buddies here. Beep! Come on back it up. Beep, 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 beep. Shut her off. 18 minutes, 31 seconds. No. Give her a couple revs. $18.54.